How would you like to serve these 7 minutes tasty chicken parmesan bites to your kids after school? They are healthy too because of just oil spraying and no deep frying. Interested? Then watch. In a bowl, take some flour, set aside. On another, crack an egg, beat and set aside. Finally, take some breadcrumbs and mix some parmesan to that and a quick mix. Now it's time to prepare the chicken. I have one full breast here. I'm cutting them into chunks. Try to make even cuts so that they cook better. Let's coat them. First it goes in the flour, which will secure the chicken breast. Then it goes in the egg mixture, where you can add some salt if you like. Finally, it goes on the breadcrumb and parmesan mixture. Coat it really well so that everything is evenly done. Now they will go in the air fryer basket. Just do not overcrowd them and cook them for just 7 minutes with just a little bit of oil spray. 180 degrees Celsius, and after 7 minutes, voila, crispy golden brown healthy air fried chicken Parma bites without any deep frying is all ready.